everyone. Good evening, good afternoon, good morning, wherever you are in the whole world. Happy holidays to you all. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year's 2025. Merry Christmas and hope everyone is have a good holiday to all and enjoy the season and Merry Christmas everyone and Happy New Year to all and hope everyone is happy for a little something. So enjoy the rest of your day and have a good day everyone. So this is for my coworker at works, my front-end coach, my front-end team lead, and my some of my uh, associate, my team associate coworkers, and they have little something for Christmas. Hope they enjoy it. Cookies for Christmas. Merry Christmas, everyone. Happy New Year, and God bless you all. And enjoy the rest of your night. And hope everyone is happy. Little something come from my heart. So God bless everyone, and have a good night and happy holidays. Enjoy the rest of your day and thank you for watching. Like and share and subscribe. It's me again, it's been a vlog, and Merry Christmas to all and happy holidays to you guys, and joy and God bless. Little gift from my heart, coming from my heart, so it means a lot. So it means big. Love you guys. Thank you all for your hard work. So God bless everyone and joy and have a Merry Christmas 2025 and a Happy New Year 2026. Thank you and God bless you all. So long and you're the rest of the night. Ready for Christmas. I'm done. Thanks God. I don't spend a lot of money, but I don't do much either. So only a couple of stuff and I'm finished. Thanks God. And the only thing I have to do to cook for my family, and that's it. So enjoy and God bless. So long and see you again soon for the next vlog. Thank you for watching. Please like and share and don't forget to pull the notification bell. Hit all for more updated for the next vlog. God bless. And so long and see you again soon for the next vlog.